Cooking with Jocelyn. What are you making, hon?
Brussels sprouts. And just stir fry it.
I've already made some mac and cheese
Look at that.
with ham. Yummy, yummy. And I've got some buffalo sauce I'm going to add to that when it gets time to eat. Then you're cutting up some Brussels sprouts to go with what? The rice when it gets cooked? And some chicken and shrimp. You're going to fry the Brussels sprouts with some...
Yeah, with a lot of garlic.
Garlic.
That's it. Just
Okay.
olive oil and garlic.
We'll come back when it's cooking time.
Yes.
Okay, we've got the, what are those again?
Brussels sprouts?
Brussels sprouts are on the stove.
Yes.
Cooking up.
Yep.
You're gonna throw the chicken and the shrimp in there too, or how are you gonna heat that up? Microwave?
No, not put it on the leftover.
We got something in the way there.
There. Boom.
Boom.
Done.
Okay.
So it's adobo.
Adobo flavoring.
Adobo chicken, but I just gonna eat it because it's left over. Nothing wrong with leftover, isn't it?
You got tomato in there too, or is that shrimp? It's the shrimp, it's all red.
Olive oil.
And the rice is going to be done when?
Yeah, couple more minutes.
All right. We'll be back in a couple minutes. Well, it's all cooked and it's been served and we're going to eat. Oh yeah, I forgot. So like and subscribe.